Alright, good morning guys. It's 6 in the morning. Just woke up. I took a shower, nice hot shower. Today's gonna be pretty crazy. I didn't sleep that much last night, but that's alright because you saw in the last video the tent and everything. But today I think we're gonna go like explore waterfalls. I don't know exactly what we're doing, but it should be pretty cool. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright, so we just got into the pavilion. It's like the nicest pavilion as you saw yesterday, or at the last vlog. You see we're watching dog McStuffins. We have our cereal, milk. Alright, so the morning looks really nice with the pond and everything, and there's people right there who are like just chilling, paddle boarding. But I'm gonna go shoot some baskets right now. I don't want to really like record too much of this stuff because this isn't the important stuff. Today we're gonna be doing some pretty crazy stuff. Stay tuned. Okay, so right now we're going to like Topanakan something and Trumansburg.
Why do you keep zooming in?
It's gonna be it's gonna be like a really big waterfall or something. So something with waterfall.
Yo, it's legit hella lit.
Okay, so we made it to the state park with big waterfalls apparently. I don't know, I'll just film and edit right now, so I hope you enjoy.
I woke up pissed off today, and baby everyone feels fake. Somewhere I lost a piece of me, smoking cigarettes on balconies. But I can't do this alone. Sometimes I just need a light. If I call you on the phone and you're on the other side, so when your tears roll down your pillow like a river, I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. When you're screaming but they only hear you whisper, I'll be loud for you. I'll be loud for you. I got you a promise, let me be honest. Love is a road that goes both ways. When your tears roll down your pillow like a river, I'll be there for you. But you gotta be there for me too. Gotta be there for me too.
Gotta send a quick climb up this bad John's.
A toll on me, but I made it with you next to me. Around the world and back again. I hope you're waiting at the end. But I can't do this alone. Sometimes I just need a light. If I call you on the phone and you're on the other side, so when your tears roll down your pillow like a river, I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. When you're screaming but they only hear you whisper, I'll be loud for you. I'll be loud for you. But I'm holding on to something. Wake up if you feel nothing. I'm running,
I think we see a northern water snake up here. Oh yeah, I see it from here.
There was a time that I was sober. What I got to do to show ya? I'm running, just to keep my hands on you. Running, just to keep my hands on you. Running, just to keep my hands on you. Said I'm running, just to keep my hands on you. But you gotta be there for me too.
Watkins Glen, and I think we might see some jumps. Not sure yet, but we are gonna do some pretty crazy stuff. Apparently, my mom says there's way better than that waterfall we were just at. Way better than any waterfall she's ever seen. So hopefully she's not lying about that. Look how dope this is.
We're on this like really sketchy
You go around to the other side of the bridge.
But you gotta be there for me too. Something, wake up if you feel nothing. I'm running, running just to keep my hands on you. There was a time that I was sober. What I got to do to show ya? I'm running, running just to keep my hands on you.
Alright, so we left Watkins Glen and we're like at this harbor view or something with all those boats and stuff. We're just checking it out. Maybe we're gonna do some kind of kayaking here tomorrow or something. We're here for another couple days. Alright, so we just had this Mexican, I had a burrito and nachos, and yeah, it was really good. Catch you later. Okay, so right now we're going out kayaking, so I guess I'll see you when we're out on the water.
Been a million places, and never see a million faces, but I feel supernatural. 'Cause the spark is electric for everybody.
Right now we're gonna head over to the other side. We're gonna try and make it to the other side. That's pretty far, we only have an hour, so wish us luck.
I can't explain forces in my veins. It comes back.
Me and Ty are trying to switch with Cody and Jake right now. Cody just switched with Ty. Oh, you are? Alright, Jake's staying in there. Never mind. They just did a little switch. I'm chilling in here. Yeah. Yo, this is hella sketchy. Got the GoPro case off again. Wanted to get this view in the back. Freaking lit. But I'm holding it over the water. If I drop this thing, gone. Check them out. Look at this. This is lit. That's you. This is awesome. Go! I'm just chilling with everybody here. See Cody's there, Jake, Ty, Katie, and I'm chilling in here. The GoPro is freaking lit. I actually just fell asleep. The whole time there was a snake in their boat. In their boat, there was a snake. we're just pulling in, but there was a snake in their freaking boat. That's crazy. Look at that.
Kind of funny.
That's so cool. Trying to swim? I don't know. Have fun, buddy.
I'm gonna go put it in the grass, Kyle. We should probably put it in the grass.
Peace out, buddy.
Go put him over there.
He's not gonna do shit. Nice. Very camera. How cool those colors are. All right, so we've been done with the kayaking for a while. We've just been chilling out. We got firewood. The fire looks really cool because we got that like colors in it. Pretty much from here, we're just gonna like chill at the fire, I guess. And we had walking tacos as Cody's eating, I think, and Kai's eating. My mom, we put the grill thing on the fire and we like made the beef. We heated up the beef. All right, so right now I'm gonna go down to the pavilion and charge the battery for this dang camera. And it's kind of late and I don't want to have to sit there, but I don't know, I'm gonna have to charge this battery. Okay, so morning. Never made it real outro today. So I ended at the fireworks today. It's going to be a lot more like cliff jumping and stuff, so I got to get ready for that vlog. Make sure you stay tuned for that. It'll be out either tomorrow or the day after. But I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in that one, which hopefully is going to be pretty more like adventurous. And today we explored a lot of cool waterfalls, but we're going to be doing a lot of extreme stuff tomorrow, so I guess I'll catch you there.